These right here are laser cut earrings made from walnut. And I didn't use CorelDRAW, Inkscape, Illustrator, no other graphic software. I only used Glowforge Print. Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to the project. Okay, I have some 1/8 inch walnut right here. I got this walnut from a store called Rockler while I was in Memphis last week. And if it works out fine, I will be going back to get some other woods, like maple, cherry. They even had some purple heart. This is what I get asked a lot. Do you need to know CorelDRAW in order to use the Glowforge? And my answer is no, but yes, depending on the design. So in this project, we're gonna make some earrings using the 1/8 inch walnut. And I'm only gonna use Glowforge Print. Okay, this is the Glowforge interface. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just go up here to import artwork. This is gonna give us Glowforge Print. They got some new stuff over here too. Okay, so this is where you can search for a lot of the stuff that you want without having to have any type of graphic software knowledge. So you can search for a lot of stuff within this program right here. So we're gonna make some earring studs. Let's do 3 different kinds. So the first one we're gonna do, since it's right here, is some type of camera. So let's go up here to see more. Okay, let's try one of these cameras out. We're gonna go with a simple one. Let's go with this one right here. So, okay, it's gonna upload it. All right, cool. First thing we wanna do is get it down to the size that we want. We're gonna go down about 1/2 inch. So that's about right there. Pretty small, but let's zoom in. Zoom in. Okay. So this is what we're gonna work with, this right here. Let's move it to the middle. Okay, so we gotta go up here and select what material we're gonna use. Since we're gonna use medium walnut, this is what we're gonna use. So let's select it, and it's gonna do what it thinks it should do. But we're gonna keep that as engrave, but this one, instead of cutting, let's see what engrave does. Okay, it fills it up. We don't want that. So let's just score that. Okay, cool. So we're gonna score, and we're gonna go to high quality just to make it look good. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna score the lines, and we're also gonna engrave that. But we also need an outline to go around the camera. So we wanna take this little part right here and get rid of that, because we don't want that around. So let's create an outline. Let's change this to graph. Okay, cool. So now we want to create an outline. So you want to select everything, go over here to create outline, and it's going to create a new outline. It's set to 0.25. So let's create the outline, but that's too big. But we can adjust it right here. So let's adjust it down. Let's go about 0.079. See what that does. Now let's go a little bit more, 0.39. I want it a little bit tighter, so let's go about 0.15. 0.15. What is that? Okay, that looks good. So it's gonna be one stud. So basically you can just select everything. If you're on a Mac, you can just copy it, so you can make a duplicate. So if you're on a Mac, you can go to Command C and then Command V, and it's gonna make a duplicate of it. So you have 2 of them. That's the same thing. Okay, I did the same exact thing as I did for the camera to the skull and the flowers. I also used the same outline size, 0.15. Now let's cut them out. here's a close-up of the camera stud earrings. Pretty cool, huh? What you think? Let me know in the comments. Here is the skull heads. These are the flowers. I don't think they turned out as good as I wanted them to be. But here is the flowers. There you have it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you in the next project. I gotta try them on. I must say, it don't look too bad. What you think? Let me know in the comments.